Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked, what is an increasing function? So for any function, you have an independent variable and a dependent variable. We can think of these as the input to the function and the output. And the defining feature of an increasing function is that as the value of the input increases, the value of the output increases. This is opposed to a decreasing function where if you increase the input, the output decreases. The physical representation of this in a graph would look something like this, where as x is increasing, the slope can change at different points, but the value of the function is always going up.